Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads the system cannot contact a domain controller to service the authentications request. Please try again later. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method or solutions we will do is to check event lags. If the system cannot contact a domain controller to service the authentications request, you can check the event lags. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So on your keyboard, press the Windows key plus letter R. And then pop up itong run command. Alright, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na event bwr.msc. Okay? So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na event bwr, one word yan, and .msc, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. So once na open mo na itong event viewer, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows logs. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa Windows logs, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. Alright? So i-click one time mo lang tong system. Alright, so dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo na dito yung lahat ng details, mga kaibigan, and informations. So ang gagawin natin dito is to inspect the error or warning messages related to the domain controller problems. So i-select mo lang dito kung ano yung related dito sa domain controller problems. At dito naman sa general ay makikita mo naman dito yung kanyang details kung mayroon itong failure or error, mga kaibigan, sa system. Right, so after mo ma-check dito sa event logs, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space //dns. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig space //dns. So one word yung //dns, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, so type mo lang yung NATSH space WANSAC space reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSAC space reset, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the WANSAC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So after dito sa CMD, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the system cannot contact a domain controller to service the authentications request. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.